Hey guys, I wanted to come on here to show you and talk a little bit about the Spanish marble chandelier. So my husband actually installed this light and he said it was very easy. It was like installing any other light, just basic electrical work like matching the wires and stuff like that. And then installing the marble was actually super easy. All you have to do is basically screw it on to the light. I thought it was going to be a little bit more complicated, but it was super easy. You can see here, just putting it up, there is a chain that you can use if you want it to be lower, but we didn't really want it to be that low, so we did not use the chain. You can see this is the process of putting on the marble. You can see just screw it on, and it's very easy. Like I said, you don't need like any tools, you can just use your fingers. You can see the metal frame of the chandelier has like a gold finish. You can see it looks very nice and high quality. It does not look cheap. It goes very well with the Spanish marble. You can see each piece of marble is nice and round, and each cut is a little bit different. So none of them look the same. It really makes a unique look. And this chandelier does not require any light bulbs, which is super unique also. You can kind of see the light strip here in this photo. And the light is also dimmable, and it has a really pretty warm tone to it. The marble really creates a really pretty diffused look since it is overlaying the light. So like I said, it's very diffused. It doesn't look harsh or anything. It creates a very relaxing vibe, which is really nice to have while you're eating or hanging out, doing whatever, because you can put this in any room. I feel like this would look great in a bedroom or like in a living room. You could really put this anywhere. But you can see here we do have it in our dining room, and I absolutely love it. It does create such a nice vibe, and it goes really well with my aesthetic. It's very nice and neutral. I feel like it would go good with really any aesthetic. But I'm very happy with this product. It was super easy to install. Like I said, we have had no issues with it. It works great, and it is super pretty. It's just stunning. So if you're thinking about getting it, I definitely recommend it.